Every time Claude writes you a paragraph when you just needed a single line, you are paying for that paragraph. Claude's default output is way too bloated. Every response comes wrapped in context that you didn't specifically ask for, explanation that you already know, a summary at the end of the thing you just read 5 seconds ago. That is not Claude being helpful, that is Claude burning your token budget on noise. And token budget means API cost. That is your money coming out of your pocket on every single session. Multiply that across a full day of work and you are basically throwing cash into the void for words that do nothing. Why I have this skill lined up for you. Caveman is a Claude Code skill that installs a communication persona directly into the model. You activate it with one command. From that point forward, Claude will strip every response to raw signal. No preamble, no filler, no fluff, no summary, just the answer. There are 3 modes, light, full, and ultra, depending on how aggressive you want it to go. I'll show you full and ultra right now because let's be honest, not that many people use light and it's not best for token conversion. I asked Claude Code one heck of a question. Obviously, we're going to use Claude Code for coding purposes, etc. I know that, but for the sake of example, I wanted Claude to, spit out a very long answer. So there's a question: explain the entire history of artificial intelligence from early philosophy and mechanical computation to modern large language models. And you can see the answer highlighted here. Look at that. And it used 4,000 tokens for this on haiku, like just haiku. Okay. Look at the answer. I'm going to select them all. And let's check out the word count. And we're going to check out the word count here. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. 1,409 words. And let's see what happens when Caveman is activated. And to do that, it's very simple. I'm just gonna say /Caveman. Right now, Caveman full is activated. It defaults to full mode. Light is too light, so I don't really recommend it. What you're gonna use is full and ultra. Okay, I'm going to ask the same question one more time, and we're going to watch the word count again. Hit enter. And you can watch the live token count here. Last time it used 5,000 tokens, just an FYI. It used 1.7k tokens. And here is the answer without losing any context. All right, let's do a comparison. I'm going to go to my word counter one more time. Remember, this is the first answer's word count, and let's see it now. It reduced it to 824 words, almost 100% token and word reduction. Okay, now we're gonna do my favorite thing. We're gonna switch to Caveman Ultra. Okay, Caveman Ultra active. Now the words are going to be abbreviated, like database become DB, authentication becomes auth, etc., etc. And conjunctions are also stripped. Now, let's ask our question one final time. Explain the entire history of artificial intelligence. And hit enter. And here is our answer. Let's check out the word count. Okay, I'm going to paste one more time. Remember, 824 words in the full mode. And this is our result in the Ultra, 632 words. This is pretty amazing stuff. And there you have it, a real-time demonstration of Caveman Full and Caveman Ultra. One really important thing before you run this all day, every day, Caveman has a built-in safety feature called auto clarity. Ask Claude to touch anything destructive or sensitive like file deletion, authentication logic, anything irreversible, and it will drop Caveman automatically for that one specific response. You get full detail, full caution, then it switches back to on its own. You do not need to configure this. It's already there. I'm just saying as an FYI. Install link is going to be in the description. Drop the skill into your .claude directory, restart your session, pick your mode. Under 30 seconds, you're good to go. And that is episode 1. Episode 2 is the opposite energy entirely. Instead of making Claude say less, it makes Claude ask more before you write a single line. It is going to be up next. This is JXL Tech AI. Let's keep building.